Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, dear viewers. Thank you for your faithfulness. Merry Christmas. And today in our recipe, we are going to see how to make easy and very simple shortbreads. And I will be providing you all the tips and tricks that you will not make a mistake. It's okay, it's fine, it's okay to make a mistake on the first round. If things doesn't come out, retry again until you become successful. Thank you and have a good one. So let's get into the kitchen. In our recipe today, it is a shortbread. So these are the ingredients and the equipments that you need. The hand mixer, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of cornstarch, half cup of icing sugar or confectioner's sugar, some red and green sprinkles because it's Christmas, and half a cup of butter. So let us get into the kitchen and see how this is being made. To begin with, we will beat the butter till it's light and fluffy. At this point, I will add in the sugar. So, adding in the sugar. It's the icing sugar or confectioner's sugar. Start off with a slow beat. At this point, I'm going to add the vanilla essence. It's 1 teaspoon. And let's continue to beat it. At this point, I will be mixing the cornstarch with the all-purpose flour. The flour has been sifted, both cornstarch and the all-purpose flour. At this point, I'll be adding the flour little bit by little bit. Always with a slow speed. My second pot. Hello viewers, at this point you won't be able to use your mixer, so you got to mix it with your hands and a spatula. And at this point, the dough has to rest in the fridge for at least about 30 minutes. So we'll come back after 30 minutes. Hello viewers. So before I put the dough into the fridge, so I layered a layer of saran wrap to prevent from drying out. And now I've taken out after 30 minutes. So let's roll them. And before I roll them, I just want to mash this a little bit. At this point, I'll get a small balls like this. So approximately about the same size. And I'll be back with the others. So I'm just going to flatten them out. I've already rounded up all of them. So I'm going to flatten them and also sing your favorite Christmas carols while you're doing it in your kitchen. So I'll start off with the fork. This is one way, and sometimes the fork will get stick. So for that I have a trick for you. So I have some flour over here. You can use sugar too, but I'm using flour. So let's get started again. And now the second part is to just put a cross. You can leave it this way, in one way or both ways, the choice is yours. And at this point I have my sprinkles here, and I'm just going to put a little bit. So this is one is ready, and I'm going to do the other tray. Dear viewers, I have preheated the oven for 350 Fahrenheit, and so now I'm going to bake this cookie for approximately about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to check, because shortbreads bake a little longer, and as long the side, the bottom becomes light in brown, that's an indication that the cookie is already cooked. So I'll put it in the oven, and then later I'll show you how the cookie should look like. Dear viewers, the first batch of the cookie is ready, and so once you bring out from the oven, you need to put it on a cooling tray like this, and on top, and leave the cookie there for another 3-4 minutes until the cookie tray is cool off. Then remove the cookies, and I'm going to show you how the cookie should look like in the bottom. This is how it should be. It could be a little browner, slightly browner, but not more than that. And make sure when you put on the sprinkles, make sure it doesn't touch the tray. It's all in the parchment paper, because it is really difficult to clean the sprinkles when with the tray on. So this is what my cookies, my shortbread cookie is, and so I will come back to you. The second batch is already in the oven, and so once that is done, and then we'll come up to the finale. Hello viewers, and here is my end product of the shortbread, and you can see I made it into two kinds of design, and so that's how it is. So, and with this I would like you to try and leave your comments below. It is a simple and easy recipe. Do not overburn your cookies. Make sure 300 to 325 Fahrenheit, it's perfect. If you find that it's too cool, your oven is cold, is on the cool side, increase another to 350, but I would not go up to 350. And the cooking time for the first 10 minutes or 7 minutes, it's good. But once you start to smell the fragrant of the smell of the odor of the cookie comes out, always check the bottom. And when you check the bottom, make sure it is this kind of brown or a little slightly brown, darker, it's fine, but not more than that. And and here we go. And so you could try it out and share with your family and friends, and you will not regret it. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. But before that, I wish you and all your family members a joyful Christmas season, though we are in the COVID situation. But we wish that everything will be resolved in the year 2021. Thank you for your faithfulness, and Merry Christmas again. Joy Noel, Selamat Hari Natal, Christmas Tirunal Valtugal, and so on. Feliz Navidad. Bye-bye.